Where there is Nilight, there is light. Nilight has been specialized in auto parts for at least 10 years. Growing up with the changing world, we aim at the revolution of auto parts. As a professional headlight manufacturer, we combine industry-leading research and knowledge to build innovative headlight assemblies. In the production process, a robot sprays the lens with protective coating, prevents scratches, chips, or yellowing from exposure to ultraviolet rays. The reflector presents chrome piece that is angled at a particular angle relative to the bulb center. Light's going to come on from the bulb center and go directly to that piece of reflector and reflect off the exact angle to form a constructive beam pattern. Besides, our headlights are sealed with silicone around the edges where the lens joins the housing. There is a robot applies a sealant around the edges, preventing water, dust, and insects from penetrating that housing. Our headlights have been adjusted to the best beam angle when leaving the factory, and there is an adjuster on the back of the headlights. You can also adjust the beam angle with a screwdriver. You don't need to worry about running a huge risk of blinding others on the road because our headlight adapts the light distribution, avoiding the glare of oncoming traffic. Moreover, the lights help you recognize the traffic signs and reduce glare through traffic sign recognition put on the road, and the headlights shine a longer distance and can respond faster to special road conditions ahead. Time to replace your old headlights and say goodbye to the yellow-tinted lenses. The new headlight assembly will make your vehicle look brand new and stylish, giving you a clear vision and a safe journey. Nilight, always your good companion on and off the road.